Hey creative hustlers, welcome back to Skillful Solutions, the ultimate destination for mastering various digital platforms. Today we've got a game-changing episode that's perfect for designers and entrepreneurs looking to make waves in the online marketplace. We will be diving into the exciting process of selling your Squarespace templates on Etsy. But before we dig into the details, let's talk about why Squarespace templates are a hot commodity and how Etsy can be a fantastic platform for your creations. To kick things off, let's start with the basics. Fire up your browser and head over to the Etsy. Once there, use the search bar and look for Squarespace templates. This will give you an idea of the composition and help you identify your unique selling proposition. Now, click on the Sell on Etsy button, which you will find under the Seller section. This is your gateway to setting up your very own Etsy shop and showcasing your incredible Squarespace templates. After clicking Sell on Etsy, hit the Get Started button. Now you have two options, either sign up if you're new to Etsy or log in if you're already part of the Etsy community. Ready to make waves? Click Let's Do This to begin setting up your shop. Etsy might throw a few questions your way to personalize your shop, but for now you can skip those. We're laser focused on getting those Squarespace templates out there. Now, let's get down to business. Click Start on your shop to set up your Etsy shop. You'll need to go through some vital steps to ensure your shop is polished and professional. Alright, now that we've set the stage, it's time to dive into the heart of matter, listing your Squarespace template on Etsy. Step 1. This is where your template journey truly begins. Start by creating a listing for your Squarespace template. Add captivating photos, videos, and catchy title that captures the essence of your template. Step 2. Once you've got your listing looking great, it's time to fine-tune your shop preferences. Set your shop's language, currency, and other essential details to ensure a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Step 3. Give your shop a memorable name that aligns with your brand and offerings. This is the first impression your potential buyers will have, so make it count. Step 4. Here comes the exciting part, creating the actual listing for your Squarespace template. Add detailed descriptions, set renewal options, and input essential information about your template. Step 5. Craft a compelling title that clearly communicates what your Squarespace template offers. Let potential buyers know who made it, what it is, and when it was created. Step 13. Dive into the heart of your template, craft a compelling description, set the inventory and pricing, and make your template truly irresistible. Click Save and continue to officially introduce your Squarespace template to the world. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of turning your Squarespace templates into thriving business opportunities on Etsy. Make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a single update from Skillful Solutions. Until next time, keep designing, keep selling, and keep rocking your online ventures.